Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Hamster Kombat to Tonkeeper wallet. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so open up your Hamster Kombat as you normally would inside Telegram. So here it is at the top of the list. If it isn't there, just go ahead and do a search. So Hamster Kombat. And now from here I'm going to click on play in one click. And now this is loading up the game. And now once you're inside Hamster Kombat, you want to click on airdrop, the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and airdrop task. So listing is on its way. Tasks will appear below. Complete them to participate in the airdrop. Task is connect your Ton wallet. So go ahead and click on connect your Ton wallet. And then you can go ahead and click on check or connect your Ton wallet. I'm going to go ahead and click check. Sorry, I meant connect your Ton wallet. And now from here, what you want to do is now from here down below, click onto Tonkeeper. Now it's opening up Tonkeeper. And now this should appear, connect Hamster Kombat, game.io. So as it says, Hamster Kombat is requesting access to your wallet address. So click on connect wallet. And now put in your passcode. And as you can see, it said done. And you'll get this little notification. Your Ton wallet is now connected. You can disconnect it or copy wallet address. So this is back in Hamster Kombat. And if I get out of that, you can see task is connect your Ton wallet, which once it's done, you'll get a blue and a tick there to letting you know it has been connected.